Find it.
Get ready, Sierra.
Nice. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. We are down to our last hunt of the year. We're at Martz's game farm in Dalmatia, Pennsylvania. Gonna do a little 5-man pheasant hunt today. Try to end the year on a strong note. We got the cousins, we got dad, special guest, and yeah, should be fun. So, as is the comedic line to some people, let's get after it. He caught it.
Terror, go! Leave it. Terror, shoot it!
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
This is so odd.
Fetch it up.
Terror, fetch it up! Back, right out in front of me. Back! That's right in front of me. Back. 20 yards. There it goes. Right here. Oh, wait. To the left. Look at it.
Give him over.
Oh. Is it in there?
Yeah.
Right in front of me. Right there. Good boy!
Attaboy. Good dog.
There. Good boy.
There we go.
There. Yeah. Good boy.
First bird down.
Good boy.
We're on the board. On the board. On the board. Kill it. Nice shooting. Nice shooting.
We got feathers flying. There. Good boy.
Nice shooting.
Stop.
Nice shooting. Whoo!
Good boy. Good boy, Timber. Good boy. Here. That still has some life in it. Here. Over here. Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Yep. Good boy.
Hold that bird up, Dad.
Huh?
Hold that bird up. Okay. There's another one. Boys are on it today. Get ready.
Stop. Stop. Good.
Whoo! You slowed him down for me. I couldn't find the safety or anything.
Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Give. Good boy. Good boy.
Another head pheasant. I ended that one.
Good.
Duke with the assist, but find it.
Good shooting.
Whoo!
Fetch it up, Timber. Fetch it up. Keep going now.
Find it. Woo!
Who shot that? Good shooting.
You hit him in the wing.
He kind of went, like a bomber. Here, over here, buddy. Fetch it up. Fetch it up.
Nice shooting.
Here, come on, fetch it up. Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Here, yeah.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
Get behind on that one. Good.
Good job, Timber.
Good boy. Good boy, Timber.
Good shooting, guys.
Yeah.
Good shooting.
Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Come on, fetch it up. I know you want to show everybody.
Fetch. Hold.
Here. Come. Come. Here. Give.
Good boy. Got that one good.
Yeah.
Well, we're done with the first 7. We went 7 for 7. Right? 7 for 7? Yeah.
Yep.
Timber did good. Getting a drink. Everybody's happy. What'd you think? So now we'll take a break, get 7 more birds out, and we'll get back after it. Here we go. Back on them. Round number 2. Find it.
Get ready, Sierra.
Nice shooting. Oh. It's all right. You had to kill that one. Good boy. Here. Here. Heel. Hold. Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Leave it. Leave it. Good job. Gambit. Back. Over. Over. Shoot it. Shoot it. There you go. Fetch it up.
You see it now.
Dang, on. You think I kept shooting over the top?
Be ready. We'll move up slowly. Gambit. Over. Go. Shoot it. Gambit. Fetch. Don't shoot. Don't shoot. Atta boy. Atta boy. Hey, get out of there. There we go. There's the pile. 12 birds. 12 out of 14. Not a bad day. So that'll about do it for hunting season 2020-2021. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks to Martz's Game Farm for all the good hunts this year. See you on the next one.